This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jeff Smith. Fully renovated home in Weston's sought-after Savanna community. Featuring a brand new roof, recessed lighting, and beautiful new tiled floors throughout. The kitchen has been fully updated with new cabinets, quartz countertops, and brand new appliances, creating a fresh, modern space for cooking and gathering. Bathrooms have been completely remodeled with a sleek design. Home includes a new washer and dryer. Located in a family-friendly neighborhood with A-rated schools, resort-style amenities, and 24-hour security. Move-in ready. For more information, review the details below.